Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Rajapushpa Provincia, which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here right in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office. Now about the land parcel is right over here, where the construction work is in full progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 24 acres of land parcel consisting of 11 towers in all, each tower of ground plus 39 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK apartment with sun deck. Additionally, this project has 78% of open space. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located near Nanakramguda Service Road in Narsingi, Hyderabad. And let me show you the neighborhoods of the project, and basically this road will connect you towards ORR in just 1 minute from the project. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Gachibowli in 10 minutes. Oak Ridge International School is 10 minutes away. Continental Hospital is also 10 minutes away from the project, and even you can connect to High Tech City in 15 minutes. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you 1.5 lakh square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, yoga deck, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is 1370 square feet, 3 BHK is 1715 to 2660 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Rajapushpa Provincia, which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.